You are about to learn one of the biggest secrets in the history of the world. It's a secret that has huge effects for everyone who lives on this planet. Most people can feel deep down that something isn't quite right with the world economy, but few know what it is. Gone are the days where a family can survive on just one paycheck. Every day it seems things are more and more out of control, yet only 1 in a million understand why. You are about to discover the system that is ultimately responsible for most of the inequality in our world today. The powers that be do not want you to know about this, as this system is what has kept them at the top of the financial food chain for the last 100 years. Learning this will change your life because it'll change the choices that you make. If enough people learn it, it'll change the world because it'll change the system.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, Dave Parker here. You know, over the last 6 months, over 10,000 of men and women just like yourself have chimed in, tapped in, and pretty much demanded answers on what the PCN is. I get it. You know, you want to know exactly what this thing is, how it can actually help you create a new credit file, how it can actually help you with your credit, how it can help you with your finances in general, how it can help you generate income like it claims it does. You know, you pretty much want to know what it is and how does it do what it claims to do. And one of the biggest questions that you all have, how can it help you skip over the ills, you know, the ills of your consumer credit report? Like no more dealing with things like collections, no more dealing with garnishments, no more dealing with student loans, no more dealing with evictions, car repossessions. I get that. You need transportation for work. No more dealing with public records, things like judgments, and even prior bankruptcies, foreclosures, how to skip over the child support payments being put on your credit report, making things even worse. You know, it's hard to get a job with, you know, with jacked up credit. How to get over tax liens, how to go over those things, like the simple things that shouldn't even be on there, like medical bills, even 30, 60, and 90-day lates that just prevent you from qualifying for the things that you actually need or want in this life. And, you know, we'll show you how to do that. What is the PCN? How is it going to help you to qualify for the things you need and want in life easily? How does it just flip the script? And here's a big one, because a lot of you guys are actually coming from Facebook groups, credit repair Facebook groups. But you know what? We're going to talk about why credit repair is no longer needed and has actually become redundant when it comes to the PCN. Yeah, we'll talk about that. And no more dealing with any of the crap that I talked about, but how to move on to live like the elite has been living for years, right in your face. You know what? Go ahead and sign up. These are some pretty big claims, I get that. But if you don't believe me, that should give you even more reason to sign up. If you do believe me, that should give you reason to sign up as well. So I tell you what, sign up. We'll see you there. It's a live event. It's going to be on YouTube and Facebook, and it's actually going to be on Webinar Jam and all that. We'll send out the link to you. We'll get it out to you. Go ahead and sign up right now. See you then.